Tech companies face billions in fines under EU content rules. Companies will be banned from targeting ads to minors, the lucrative minors. We can sell them things,
Right.
Such as Sunny D.
Man, when's the last time you had Sunny D?
I don't know, but I like to watch old commercials.
Uh-huh.
I love watching old commercials, like those compilations on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
I could just be lost. I could be zoned. Just pure nostalgia. Look at what they did to the label and stuff. Get out of here.
Man, I don't even think I've seen.
Basically, their
Sunny
commercial
D.
was, you will make friends if you have Sunny D.
Yes, I know. I know.
Their commercial was, your mom's so cool. You're so cool now.
Yeah.
Whoa, man, you actually got Sunny D?
I know.
What they used to do, push out the juice in the refrigerator?
He'd be like
Like the grape juice.
No, he'd be
the
like,
purple
missed
stuff
that
or
one.
something?
he'd be like, got chocolate milk, got cola, got some purple stuff. Whoa, man, is that Sunny D?
All his friends are like, whoa!
That's Sunny D. You imagine that happening in real life? It'd be like, whoa,
Today?
whoa, man, relax. Relax.
Gets punched.
Shout out MC Loving. Yeah, that's it. Cola.
Could we watch it?
I don't know if we can watch. I mean, it was 1995, man. They tried to redo it. You can't
Yeah, I
redo
know.
it. You can't redo it because that's the way things were at the time.
Mm-hmm.
That's the way we were marketed to. And it worked
Yep.
because you went to the parent and you said, I think I'm supposed to have the Sunny D.
I think I'm
Parent.
supposed to.
Look at all the friends they have.
Yeah.
Shout out Jet Zeal. I agree. It's all about the community. Look at that kid. Like, he wanted to be the kid. Why are all his friends so impressed? The mother just bought a drink. Is that all it took all along? That's it? You're doing all this work. You're trying to fit in. Or you don't have to talk to people. Nothing. You just have to have Sunny D. What a shortcut to all the problems.
Right.
But that was every commercial back then. Everything was going to solve your problem instantly. It was just pure fun. You guys realize how the sun was shining in commercials targeted at kids in 1995? Look at the sun in the window there. It doesn't even shine like that.
It's just overexposed.
No,
Yeah.
the sun doesn't even shine like that anymore. You know how sunny it was in a Sunny D commercial?
Their brand depended on it, man.
You buy this substance and the world's a better place.
Yeah.
You understand? It's world
Your
peace.
day will be brighter.
It's world peace. I mean, it's not far off. Yo, Miss D, can we get some more Sunny D? Yeah!
There's no problems in that household.
No, they never argue about anything.
I can't even remember what's the story we're on.
Sunny D solves everything.
Where are we?
Mo, stop trying to get us
there
back.
we are.
You know, some people talk about the tangents on this show. Let me tell you something. This show is a tangent.
Yes, the whole thing.
Okay, so don't be surprised.
Right.
What is that? I'm not surprised. MFers? You're talking about what was it? Nate Diaz?
Diaz.
Yeah. I'm not surprised. Don't be surprised. When you might bump into a tangent.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing about it. You're not gonna find no tangent on CNN.
No,
You're not gonna find no tangent on CNN Plus.
you're not gonna find CNN Plus.
No.
That was icy what he just did. That was cold. I feel like he's growing into his Mo Money
Yeah.
title.
Oh no,
Absolutely.
Market Mo, man.
He's over there like you ain't gonna find
so
CNN
aggressive.
CNN Plus. I was like, who is this guy?
There's a nightly show. It's just Mo.
Who is this guy? Where'd he come from? Shout out Byron. Tech companies face billions in fines. No more targeting minors. No more Sunny D. They say, no, leave them alone. Leave them alone to their screens to play their games. They don't tell them they need to buy anything to fix their problems. Just tell them they need to never pull their head out of their screens and they'll be just fine. Just give them another distraction.
Yeah.
Landmark Digital Services Act is the EU's answer to what it sees as a failure by tech giants to combat illegal content on their platforms. Non-compliance could cost companies as much as 6% of their global annual sales when the rules go into effect as early as 2024. Failures could be extremely costly based on their reported 2021 annual sales. Amazon, for instance, could face a theoretical fine of as much as 26 billion euros, which is $28 billion. Future non-compliance. A ban on using sensitive data such as race or religion for targeting ads. A ban on targeting any ads to minors. A ban on so-called dark patterns, specific tactics to push people into consenting to online tracking. Yeah, that's what we need to be worried about. That's what we need to be worried about, Mo.
A ban on using race and religion to target ads?
Yeah, so I can't go into like my ad campaign and be like, I really think that people of this particular religion want this product. I can't select that.
Oh, I see.
Go ahead, Mo.
No, go ahead. I'm just curious to how that's implemented, and you explained it.
Yeah, you would be in your campaign and you'd be like, I'm selling, maybe I don't want to sell my holy water.
But hold on. Actually, what if it is like a religious product?
What if it is a religious product, Mo?
Like,
A certain outfit.
Sure. Or a piece of jewelry or whatever it may be. You will want to be able to target.
Go ahead, Mo.
Maybe there's other ways around it. Maybe you can find different ways to target. Maybe these companies can figure out a better way.
Let me explain something to you, Mo.
Okay.
That's not what this is about. I know you and I, we like to have the positive outlook.
Yeah.
You and I, we like to say, some guy's selling, he's selling something.
Right.
He's selling some kind of bamboo artifact.
Mm-hmm.
Some sort of scarf.
Mm-hmm.
What they're really talking about here is probably much darker. What they're talking about here is campaigns, politics. What they're talking about is possible incitement of utilizing or targeting a specific group to try to maneuver or change an opinion.
Right.
Which could be useful from a political that's what they're.
I see.
It's got to be what's going on with that.
No, from that perspective, you're right. This makes a lot more sense.
But that's a lot less fun to talk about than Sunny D. Mm-hmm. I'm just saying. Mm-hmm. But you got to go everywhere. You live in the world. You got to go everywhere.
Maybe I get some Sunny D for Monday's show. We can have a sip.
You got to listen. You got to go everywhere. But I agree. I mean, some people are confused as well. They're like, why can't I target? Let me target. But it's actually not the most obvious way that this kind of targeting could be, could lead to some degree of manipulation, right? Often your mind goes to the most straightforward use, but
yeah,
people are crafty.
Yeah,
making moves. Shout out Catchy Lee. Taiwan at 2 a.m. Let me tell you, Taiwan at 2 a.m., you can still go. You can still get food.
Night market?
Let me tell you something. You hear they're doing a night market right here in Toronto this summer? Yeah, you might find me down there.
What is that?
It's going to be too many lineups and it's going to be so many outfits.
But is it a nice atmosphere?
I can't deal with all these outfits.
Outfits?
Yeah, it's going to be so many different types of outfits.
Oh, in Toronto in general?
It's just going to be lineups and stimulation. I'm going to be overstimulated.
Get ready.
I just
prepare
get
yourself.
ready.
I just want
because I know exactly what you're talking about.
I want less stimulation.
Uh-huh.
I want subtle stimulation. You know what I've been doing lately?
What's that?
I listen to music, but quieter. Do you have this happen to you? Will, I know you're a sophisticated man. Do you find this thing happening to you?
Yeah, sometimes
That's right.
when it's kind of like nighttime, you kind of want to just chill out a little bit.
It's everything in my life, man. It's I have a new appreciation for subtlety. Like it could be a flavor, it could be a volume, it could be a genre, it could be a conversation.
I find that food, I eat less portion.
Small portion.
Yeah, just like a little taster.
Interesting.
No. Yeah, I don't.
You
eat
dabble.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's like the analogy of like the big Coke can or the small one. You always like the small one. And I get it.
Mm.
Small.
Mm.
Little taster.
Mm. You talking about when you go to a nice restaurant and then the portion is small? Is that what you're talking about? Leaves you wanting more?
Sure. Or just in regular life. Just smaller portions, I find. So
Except water. They say drink as much damn water as you possibly can. Remember the one time Mo was carrying around like that barrel?
jug. Yeah.
He had a,
like Donkey Kong, just like
he had an oak barrel. And rather than drink the water drank him. He just sat in it. He was just soaking in this barrel. And I was like, what is that technique? And he's like, they told me I gotta
go put more water on me.
I just need more water. And I was like, I don't think that's what they meant.
Yeah.
I can't believe you rolled
I gotta bring that jug
an
back.
oak barrel into the studio today. And so you had this container. It was
I
around,
like how he's still on this.
it was around this big.
Yeah. Well, you could probably pull it up.
And then on it,
it's on Amazon.
It would have different levels, right?
Yes, it had times and little like we'll call them like markings, and but with like motivational like little things. Like if I hit 11 o'clock and I had finished the water up until then.
What's this?
I'm just walking around with that fucking thing. Oh, sorry. I just cursed. I moved the mic away too. I'm like, I'm done. I made a mistake.
That's a good
My
thing.
apologies. I didn't mean to curse.
You're really on one today, aren't you?
It's Friday.
It's Friday, man.
Come on.
You're on
Casual
one.
Friday.
You're on one today.
Yeah, my bad.
Which is good. Which is good.
Which is good.
No, these jugs are too big. Something like this.
Yes,
This
that's
is
what it
normal.
was. That is what it was. He has this.
Yes.
This monster. I need to see it scaled up against something else because
you
this
need a
makes it
hand.
look not that crazy, but I'm telling you, this is a beast what he had. Go to the bottom photo, I think.
Oh, okay.
There.
It is
That's
not-
what Mo's carrying around. This
I think
jug.
mine was even a little bit bigger.
Oh, was it?
I think
But
so.
this is the same. It has the little markings
Sure.
on it that say,
Great work. Good
Yeah.
job.
exactly.
Keep going.
Because it's so hard to drink this barrel of water every day. How much is it, though, actually? What is the capacity? It is 128 ounces of water.
It's a lot.
Did you ever achieve it? Or
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I did it for a while.
what happened?
I just got tired carrying that thing around.
Hey, that's impressive. Drinking that much water.
Yeah. Well, actually, it being so heavy helped me drink a lot of water because I was like, it's too heavy. I'll just drink it. I can't keep carrying
What a
this thing.
strange scenario to find yourself.
I know.
If you're carrying something this big with you everywhere you go, this becomes your identity.
I know, it really did. I think that's why I had to let it go.
You're just the water jug guy. Right? And you have to have it with you all the time because otherwise you're never going to complete it.
right.
You can't just
There's no way you can do this, and you can't catch up on your water drinking. Not this much.
No, you have to be consistently
Throughout the day.
kind of chipping away at it.
Also, the bathroom breaks were just out of control after a while. Not even after a while, almost immediately,
Yeah.
actually.
Just goes
Do you
in and
remember
out.
how many times?
No, but it was significant enough that I noticed. I was like, oof, this is... I had to keep stopping whatever I was doing.
Over, under on 10.
Over.
Over 10.
There was some days where it was easily
so
over
you
10.
couldn't even get any work done.
Yeah. No, actually, I got no work
You
done
were just
here.
in the bathroom.
Yeah.
You were just drinking.
It was like a funnel.
I never left the bathroom.
You were just drinking this barrel and pissing all day. What kind of day is that?
Apparently a healthy one, according to this. According to this, they say this is how much water you're supposed to have.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I think. Hold on, we'll check. We can't.
What
we
kind
can't
of
tell
advice
people
are
that.
you
Yeah.
giving people here?
Check. What is the recommended amount of water?
I thought it was 8 glasses is something I heard.
but this was a long time ago. They said this 8 glasses.
8 glasses. Everybody's different. Everybody's
And
a
also
little
what
different.
glasses? My house does not have one type of glass.
But you also
I got like
eat.
the tiny ones and then the
That
really
includes
large
water.
ones.
I think a glass is, I think they mean like an 8 ounce, or what do they mean? Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Here we go. 15.5 cups, 3.7 liters per day.
And how much was that one?
That's a lot, man. That's probably what that is, 3.7 liters, I would guess. 128 ounce. I don't know if the conversion is there. Oh, look at this. Alexander saw Mo at Dunkin' Donuts crying.
It's not possible. Because I've never been to Dunkin' Donuts.
You were crying because they were out of stock of something.
They don't have the stock?
Oh, I don't even know what you would want at Dunkin' Donuts that they wouldn't have that would cause that. I guess a donut, a certain type of donut. They're like, not till tomorrow.
But just the fact that it's a comment.
Oh,
That's
man.
funny.
Shout out Alexander and Super Duper. You guys are killing it over there in the chat. Super chat. It's unbelievable stuff. Yes.
Oh, wow.
So that is what, but it's over the course of the whole day.
Yeah, and you also eat food that has liquid in it, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, like,
Like
does
the
this, what
soup
about, does
is-
soup count?
Yeah.
Would a big soup count?
I don't know. I didn't go that.
You didn't go
intense.
there. You didn't go there.
I was just trying to hit the water.
Right.
What?
So where
story?
is the bottle now?
Probably like in a closet somewhere.
Could you bring it in?
Sure.
And it just
Just set it down.
no, the identity aspect is just,
You know what? It might be a good pivot from the finance guy.
you're the water guy.
Yeah, become the water guy. You're right.
The only thing is you'll barely be on the show because you just
Yes, I'll keep having. We'll have a lot more breaks.
right. No, but the identity thing though, it's really weird, right? The objects you keep around you.
Become you.
That's
Whoa.
like for someone who only knew you peripherally,
Right.
they'd be like, "What guy are you talking about?"
The guy, the guy with he carry around the water
Instantly,
thing. Yeah.
the guy with the giant water jug.
Yeah.
It
And
becomes
the other
you.
guy goes, "Oh, right. What's wrong with that guy?"
Of course,
Yeah.
the water guy. I don't know. Can't trust him.
Oh man.
Yeah.